your Bessie, old friend. I think a few centuries, Nalanda institution become, I think, top learning center. So I think we can conclude that the many masters, scholars come from Nalanda. They are not just a rich person, but in academic field. All the local police and officials look after me. I very much appreciate it. Thank you. Is our Thank you. See you again. Bye.